How to fix Rocket League not launching on Epic Games easy and quick. First, just open your Epic Games and once you're here, click on your profile and then click settings, and here you will find your Rocket League, your Epic Games settings. Scroll down, here you will find enable cloud saves, disable it, and after that right click here, task manager, and then just click memory. That's it. Now just close an application that takes your memory, and like Google Chrome and anything you find here can take a lot of your memory. And that's it. Now all you need to do just go back and try again, try to launch it. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and see you in the next video.